Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unveiling something huge. Google Gemini has officially launched on iOS. This isn't just another app update, it's a game changer for every iPhone user out there. We're talking next-level AI integration, seamless user experience, and features that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. And the best part, it's all within the familiar iOS ecosystem. So, buckle up because we're diving deep into the world of Google Gemini on iOS. We'll explore its groundbreaking features, break down its capabilities, and show you exactly why this app is set to redefine the future of mobile AI. Let's get started. First up, the interface. Gemini's UI is sleek, intuitive, and so easy to navigate. No need to be a tech guru, anyone can jump in and use it right away. Imagine this, you open up Gemini and it's like stepping into a well-organized digital workspace. Everything is exactly where you'd expect it to be, with a clean, minimalist design that screams premium. No clutter, no confusion, just pure functionality. The app seamlessly integrates with your existing iOS apps and services, making it feel like a natural extension of your iPhone. Whether you're scheduling appointments, setting reminders, or just asking a quick question, Gemini's UI is all about making your life easier. Think about the last time you used a voice assistant. Did you have to fumble through menus, repeat yourself multiple times, or just give up out of frustration? Yeah, we've all been there. But with Gemini, it's all about natural interaction. The voice recognition is incredibly accurate, so you can speak naturally just like you're talking to a real assistant. And the responses? They're not robotic or monotone, they're surprisingly human-like and engaging. But it's not just about voice control. Gemini also excels in its visual feedback. Imagine asking about the weather, and instead of just hearing a robotic voice, you see a beautifully animated forecast right on your screen, complete with detailed information and interactive elements. And if you need to get things done on the go, Gemini's one-handed mode has got you covered. The interface dynamically adjusts, bringing all the essential controls within easy reach of your thumb. No more awkward stretching or hand gymnastics, just effortless interaction, no matter where you are. This is what sets Gemini apart. It's not just about cramming in features. It's about crafting an experience that feels polished, intuitive, and downright enjoyable to use. It's about making technology work for you, not the other way around. And that's the beauty of Gemini's UI. It gets out of the way and lets you focus on what matters most, getting things done and staying connected to the people and information that matter most to you. Gemini is designed to be more than just a tool, it's an experience. As you explore its features, you'll find that every element is thoughtfully crafted to enhance your productivity and enjoyment. Customization is key. With Gemini, you can tailor the interface to suit your personal preferences, making it truly your own. Set up personalized shortcuts and widgets to access your most used features quickly and efficiently. Notifications are smart and unobtrusive, ensuring you stay informed without being overwhelmed. The smart notification system learns from your habits, prioritizing what matters most to you. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, Gemini adapts to your environment, providing a seamless experience wherever you are. And in low-light conditions, the interface adjusts to reduce eye strain, making it comfortable to use at any time of day. Gemini also offers community features, allowing you to connect with other users, share tips, and discover new ways to make the most of the app. Regular updates ensure that Gemini keeps getting better, with new features and improvements rolled out to enhance your experience. Ultimately, Gemini is about empowering you. It's about giving you the tools you need to navigate your digital life with confidence and ease. So go ahead, dive into Gemini, and discover a user interface that's not just effortless but also a joy to use. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Imagine a world where your technology doesn't just respond to you but anticipates your needs, learns from your habits, and evolves with you. Google Gemini comes packed with AI-driven insights, designed to make your life not just easier but smarter. Imagine an app that not only responds to your commands but also learns your preferences, adapting to your unique lifestyle, helping you make smarter choices without lifting a finger. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. This isn't just your average voice assistant, it's a revolutionary AI companion. This is like having a personal AI companion that anticipates your needs and provides tailored recommendations based on your unique habits and routines. Let's say you're heading to work every morning. Gemini learns your commute route, monitors traffic conditions in real time, and proactively notifies you of any delays or alternative routes, ensuring you always have the smoothest commute possible. But it goes beyond just traffic updates. Imagine Gemini analyzing your calendar, recognizing an important meeting coming up, and automatically suggesting relevant documents or presentations you might need, all before you even ask. And if you're feeling overwhelmed with a jam-packed schedule, Gemini can step in and help you prioritize tasks, even offering to reschedule less urgent appointments to free up your time. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. But the real magic happens when Gemini starts connecting the dots across all your digital interactions. It analyzes your emails, messages, and even your browsing history to provide you with contextual insights and suggestions that are tailored to your specific needs. Let's say you're planning a trip. Gemini can not only book your flights and accommodations, but also recommend hidden gems and local experiences based on your interests, ensuring you have a truly unforgettable journey. And if you're ever feeling stuck or uninspired, Gemini can tap into its vast knowledge base to provide you with creative prompts, thought-provoking questions, or even just a dose of motivation to help you power through your day. This is the power of AI-driven insights. It's not just about making things easier, it's about unlocking a whole new level of productivity, efficiency, and even creativity. Imagine a day where you wake up and your phone has already prepared a personalized morning briefing for you, highlighting the most important tasks and events. As you go through your day, Gemini seamlessly integrates with your workflow, offering suggestions and insights that keep you ahead of the curve. Whether it's recommending the best time to take a break, suggesting a new productivity tool, or even reminding you to stay hydrated, Gemini is there, making sure you're at your best. And when it comes to personal growth, Gemini can help you set and achieve your goals, track your progress, and celebrate your milestones. It's like having a coach, mentor, and cheerleader all rolled into one, guiding you towards a more fulfilling and successful life. And if you're ever feeling stuck or uninspired, Gemini can tap into its vast knowledge base to provide you with creative prompts, thought-provoking questions, or even just a dose of motivation to help you power through your day. This is the power of AI-driven insights. It's not just about making things easier, it's about unlocking a whole new level of productivity, efficiency, and even creativity. Imagine a day where you wake up and your phone has already prepared a personalized morning briefing for you, highlighting the most important tasks and events. As you go through your day, Gemini seamlessly integrates with your workflow, offering suggestions and insights that keep you ahead of the curve. Whether it's recommending the best time to take a break, suggesting a new productivity tool, or even reminding you to stay hydrated, Gemini is there, making sure you're at your best. And when it comes to personal growth, Gemini can help you set and achieve your goals, track your progress, and celebrate your milestones. It's like having a coach, mentor, and cheerleader all rolled into one, guiding you towards a more fulfilling and successful life. This is the power of AI-driven insights. It's about empowering you to achieve more, learn faster, and live a more fulfilling life. But don't just take my word for it. Check out what early users are saying about Google Gemini on iOS. We hit the streets to get some real-world feedback from everyday iPhone users who had the chance to experience Gemini firsthand. We wanted to know how this innovative app is making a difference in their daily lives, and the responses we got were nothing short of amazing. And let me tell you, the response has been overwhelmingly positive. Users from all walks of life are finding new and exciting ways to integrate Gemini into their routines. People are blown away by how seamlessly Gemini integrates into their lives. Whether it's for work, study, or leisure, Gemini is proving to be an indispensable tool. They love the intuitive interface, the natural voice interaction, and the personalized insights that make them feel like they have a personal assistant in their pocket. The ease of use and the intelligent design are consistently highlighted as standout features. One user, a busy professional, shared how Gemini has transformed her daily commute. She used to spend hours stuck in traffic feeling stressed and frustrated. She used to dread being stuck in traffic, but now with Gemini's real-time traffic updates and alternative route suggestions, she arrives at work feeling calm, collected, and ready to tackle the day. The app not only saves her time but also significantly reduces her stress levels. Another user, a college student, raved about how Gemini helps him stay organized and on top of his studies. Balancing classes, assignments, and extracurricular activities can be overwhelming, but Gemini makes it manageable. From setting reminders for assignments to finding relevant research papers with just a voice command, Gemini has become his go-to study buddy. He mentioned how the app's ability to quickly pull up information and keep track of deadlines has improved his academic performance. And for those who are always on the go, Gemini's ability to manage travel itineraries, provide language translations, and even recommend local restaurants has been a game changer. Frequent travelers find it particularly useful for navigating new cities and cultures. It's like having a personal travel guide and translator all rolled into one. Users have shared stories of how Gemini has helped them find hidden gems in unfamiliar places and communicate effortlessly with locals. But what really stood out was how much people appreciate Gemini's proactive nature. The app doesn't just respond to commands, it anticipates what users might need next. They love how it anticipates their needs and provides helpful suggestions before they even have to ask. This feature has been described as a game changer, making daily tasks smoother and more efficient. It's like having a mind-reading sidekick that's always one step ahead. Users are constantly amazed by how accurately Gemini predicts their needs and offers timely solutions. The overwhelming consensus is that Google Gemini on iOS isn't just another app, it's a revolutionary tool that's changing the way people interact with their devices. It's a game changer that's transforming the way people live, work, and interact with the world around them. From simplifying daily routines to enhancing productivity and enriching travel experiences, Gemini is making a significant impact on users' lives. The future of mobile technology is here, and it's called Google Gemini. So, iPhone users, it's time to experience Gemini for yourself. Download it, try out the features, and let us know what you think. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and let's start a conversation about how Gemini is transforming the iOS experience. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you're as excited about the future of tech as we are. This is just the beginning of what Google Gemini can do, and you won't want to miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay connected, stay productive, and enjoy the world of possibilities with Google Gemini on iOS.